and welcome back to my channel. Today I went grocery shopping and I've got a massive grocery haul to share with you. Today's will be a little bit different. The weather has started turning here in Ireland. It started getting a little bit chilly and so I've just been craving soups and stews and all kinds of wintry goodies. So I did a big grocery haul so that I'll be able to cook all of that kind of stuff, and I'll leave a link down below to blog posts and some videos with recipes I mentioned along the way and more inspiration for you. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment too. Let me know what you're looking forward to about the upcoming season, what meals you're looking forward to. I look forward to reading your comments. So let me get on and show you what I got today. So this is everything we need to get through. Let's start up here with the veggies over here. I'm wanting to make a big mushroom soup. So I've got mushrooms. I'm going to experiment with a couple of different recipes. So you can expect a mushroom soup coming super soon. And I've got zucchini. What I kind of do is a green soup with zucchini and broccoli. And so I'm going to mix those two together, have a little play again. In the coming weeks, months, you can expect lots of different soup recipes. So got those two ingredients for that. A nice big broccoli over here, and I got some lemon. I like using lemon a bit for flavor. I might make some sort of a lemon dessert, maybe a cake, not sure. I definitely feel like baking, so I've got a few different ingredients to help me on my way with that. And an essential onions. I got some organic onions to really cook my soups, stews, all kinds of recipes, and I like a little bit of sliced onion with it. And some stock. I've got some organic vegetable stock. I might also make some stock, some bone broth myself, but it's nice also just having in the pantry some veggie stock, because you can pop a bit of veggie stock, some broccoli, courgette, zucchini into a saucepan, some water, and mix a bit of sour cream or some butter through to just elevate the fat content, and you've got a pretty nice keto soup. And of course I've got my butter. Always need butter. It's such a keto essential. Absolutely always include butter in my grocery shopping. And cheese. I might add a bit of cheese into one of those soups. That'll be pretty nice. A bit of mozzarella mixed through. I also may make my broccoli casserole with my broccoli, cheese, sour cream, mix and match it and make all kinds of yummy comfort food dishes. And kind of going a bit all over the place, I know. I've got my dark chocolate there to make hot chocolate. That is such a staple. I've started having them more regularly, and I just love it in the morning when it's nice and chilly to have a slow hot chocolate with my chocolate and a bit of cream over there, and it's just so good. And yep, while we're up there, I've got cream and sour cream. Both are great to mix through just to make a soup or stew a little bit rich. A bit of sour cream, just so good. And I found this organic mature cheddar. Hadn't seen it before, just got to try all the cheese, and that's what I'm doing. And I got a pasta sauce to possibly make a chicken bake, my favorite best ever chicken bake. So kind of just find the lowest pasta sauce I can, and that's the one that I found and that I've picked to use in this instance. And I've got some Irish diced beef to make a big beef stew. May mix and match again, maybe use some of those mushrooms in a beef stew, my stock, the onion, just mix it all together and make it's just a yummy stew, which this weather it's a bit chilly and it's just so perfect. And some chicken legs too, chicken drumsticks. I am probably going to make my best ever chicken bake, which I shared the recipe for absolute ages ago, and that's just one of our favorites. And so it's really just chicken drumsticks, the pasta sauce, some cheese, and I might add some onion, garlic as well, and you've got a lovely chicken bake, which is so easy, so hearty, and just like the perfect low carb keto comfort food. And move through quite quickly actually. Over here I've got brie and smoked salmon. Not quite comfort food, but at Tesco the smoked salmon is always such a good deal. I think it was $2.99 for this whole pack of smoked salmon, and I might have a snack with my smoked salmon, roll a little bit of brie inside it, and just to round out my meals. But there you go, that is the grocery haul for today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to check down below for link to blog posts and more videos with some more inspiration. Leave a like and a comment too, and subscribe for more videos like this. Love to have you part of this awesome yummy inspirations community. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.